Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can check the remaining battery capacity of your iPhone. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to check the remaining battery capacity of your iPhone, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your phone settings. And once you're on your settings, next, I want you to find the battery option. You can easily find it just at the top section of your settings. Once you've found it, just go and tap it. And then select the battery health and charging option right here. And after that, there it is guys. Congratulations, you will now see the remaining battery capacity of your phone. This will tell you how much charge your battery can hold, meaning the higher the capacity, the longer the battery can last on a single charge. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.